Hi, this is Janice from Space to Relax, and the video you're about to watch is a replay of a live class I taught on Zoom. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so that you don't miss any future videos from me. I hope you enjoy the class.
This is a short meditation for the morning time, and it's the perfect meditation to practice in front of the sunrise if you have the opportunity. However, if you don't have the opportunity, if you can't see the sunrise or you're inside, then you can imagine the sunrise in your mind's eye for this. So all you need to do is to be sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Get yourself comfortable and then close your eyes. Close your mouth and allow the tongue to rest against the roof of the mouth, with the tip of the tongue resting against the back of the upper teeth. Release any tension in your face by bringing a smile to the corners of your mouth. Breathing in and out through the nose. Begin with some abdominal breathing. So as you breathe in, feeling the belly expand and inflate as though you're blowing up a balloon. And as you breathe out, feeling the abdomen shrinking, sinking back towards the spine. So really releasing any tension or holding in the abdominal area as you practice this breathing. Just observing the ebb and flow of the breath as it moves in and out of the body. Now, if you're in a great position to be in front of a sunrise, then open your eyes so that you can look at it. Obviously don't directly stare into full sun, but if it's just starting to come up, you can most definitely look at it then. If you're not in a position to see the sunrise, then imagine the sunrise in your mind's eye as your eyes are closed right now. Just imagine the scene in front of you. See that first change in the colour of the sky from darkness, the first little bit of light that comes through. As the sun begins to rise, see how colours change, become more intense, bring life to the sky. And in front of this sunrise right now, we're going to allow it to give us some of its chi, some of its energy, in order to calm our mind, clear and focus our mind for the day ahead, and also energize our physical body. So in your mind's eye now, really connecting with that sunrise. Seeing the first rays of the sun coming towards you. And whichever position you're in right now, turn the hands so that your palms are facing upwards. So if you're lying on a bed, maybe turning them there by your sides, so turning them up to face the ceiling. If you're sitting on a chair, they're probably resting on your thighs. So palms are facing upwards. And see the rays of the sun coming towards the palms of your hands. And as they slowly make their way towards you, bring your mind to the skin on the palms of your hands. Think of the pores of your skin becoming bigger, more open, ready to receive the morning rays of the sun. So your palms are the receiver. So as the rays get closer to you, the next time you breathe in, think of using that breath almost as a suction to draw the rays towards you and direct them into the palms of the hands. So with each breath in, filling the palms of the hands with more of the sun's rays. Keep going with that for a few more breaths. And have the idea that the palms are so full of sun's rays that the pores are full. There are balls of sun's rays just sitting in the palms of your hands, waiting to be absorbed. So imagine that you're holding two mini suns in the palms of your hands. Feel the warmth, see the colour, feel the energy which you're going to use to benefit your whole mind and body and set you up for the day ahead. Now, keeping your mind on the two suns that you're holding in the palms of your hands. And imagine a pathway from each palm running up each arm, through the elbows, the upper arms, the shoulders, to the chest, down through the centre of the chest and into the lower abdomen. And that pathway is wide, open and free-flowing. So the next time you breathe in, think of drawing in a little bit of that sun from each palm up through that pathway, up through the arms, down through the centre of the chest and into the lower abdomen. With each breath, acting like a suction, drawing in more and more of those two mini suns in the palms of the hands. Keep going with that now for a few more breaths. And make this next inhalation the last one, where you're drawing in that last little bit of each of those mini suns, all the way down into your lower belly. Come back to the palms of your hands, and in your mind's eye, close the pores. It's like closing a door. You don't want the energy to escape again. So close the door and place one hand over your lower belly with the other hand directly on top of that. Bring your mind now to your lower abdomen, to Dantian, which is our energy or our Qi center in the lower abdomen, and feel the warmth, the energy that you've just absorbed from the sunrise. And know that from this place in Dantian, the Qi of the sunrise will just naturally be circulated and distributed by your body around all the organs, into all the muscles, down the arms and the legs, and up into the mind to nourish and calm and focus it. Coming back with the mind now to the rise and fall of your abdomen. Still with the eyes closed, bring the hands together and rub the palms together until they get really hot, generating lots of heat. And then placing one palm over each eye, fingers facing up towards the sky or the ceiling. Feeling the heat radiating from your hands into your eyes, out the back of your eyes to nourish your mind. And when that heat's dissipated, giving your face a gentle little face wash and opening your eyes as you do that in order to bring yourself back into the room. Allow the hands just to drop down by your sides. Bring a smile to the corners of your mouth. And that concludes our lovely little sunrise meditation.
I really hope you enjoyed this lesson and look forward to seeing you in the next video.